Air compressors are those invisible things that you probably don't realize are in every walk of life. Whether it's how we fill sodas into bottles, how we move and convey parts in factories and plants, how buildings are painted. It is truly a fourth utility. Most people think about electric and gas, but clearly air is another utility that is just as vital in production processes, whether they be in pharmaceuticals, whether they be in food, putting chips in bags, or also in industrial environments like we work at here in Sullair, building products for other companies.
In a factory, on a job site, or anywhere in need of clean air, there's a reason Sullair has been the leading edge of compressed air solutions for over 50 years.
Been around for 53 years, since 1965. We make compressors, industrial compressors, both portable and stationary. We go beyond compressors. We make ancillary or tertiary products that complement the total solution package for compressed air for industrial and many other types of customers. Sullair, to be real honest, was for the past 8 to 10 years was somewhat in a holding pattern and with uncertainty in terms of what the future might be.
Throughout the industry, Sullair has commonly been known as being like your father's Oldsmobile. While renowned for its durability, it's no question Sullair was often seen as being outdated manufacturers. That was until the acquisition by Hitachi in 2017.
I was actually in the team of this acquisition in Hitachi side, and after the acquisition I was actually told that you're going to lead that business now. So we are thinking about how we can bring Hitachi's culture or Hitachi's strength into Sullair to bring this business into the even better direction.
Not only did we get a partner in Hitachi as an owner, but we got a great partner. Hitachi has come in, they're committed to this business. They are very strong in their own right in Japan. They are committing with resources, technology. They have products we don't have in technology. We have some they don't have. But the commitment at the very top of Hitachi couldn't be stronger.
My goal for Sullair is we actually just merged together and still in the stage of bringing the best culture each other right now. But the goal is that I want to, and I think the Hitachi and the Sullair both wants to become a #1 player in the world, not just the USA, not just North America, or not just in Japan. With the technology that we bring into the Sullair, and Sullair's basic structure and strength we already have here, we can make it to the #1 company in the world.
Sullair is rapidly innovating due to the company's acquisition by Hitachi in 2017.
From an engineering standpoint, since Sullair has been acquired by Hitachi, it's been like a new kid with a new set of tools or a new toolbox. I've been able to look at not only the mathematical tools that Hitachi uses to be able to compare and contrast, and then use the best of all the technologies to help further our development of new product.
We have access to Hitachi's leadership development programs for our employees. So we're starting to consider ways to send our employees through those programs.
Sullair is showing us why they're far from being old school, with their compressors at the heart of most manufacturing and industrial applications.
Sullair air compressors are known for their durability and reliability. We have, and I have seen compressors in customer sites that are over 30 years old. As long as they are well maintained and they're continued to be kept up well, they will last. That is a hallmark that, from a development standpoint, we've ensured that we have kept that with all new products. So as we've brought out and maintained the DNA of Sullair, we've improved in other areas, such as the operator interface and performance aspects of how our compressors work.
Our mantra at Sullair is pretty simple. We We pride ourselves on being reliable in terms of the products that we manufacture, durable, and providing very high performance products as well, so that we can help industrial companies excel and do the jobs that they intend to do. The resources they give us, there are over 300,000 people at Hitachi. I kind of feel like I've met all of them at some point in time, but there's a tremendous amount of resource that we didn't have, quite frankly. And the people themselves, I probably should have led with that. The people at Hitachi are very genuine. They care, they want to help. So are Sullair. So it's a match really made in heaven, because there's just a tremendous amount of synergy and respect going both ways, and we try to help one another. Even though we're small compared to Hitachi, most companies are, we try to give back to Hitachi as well, but it's been a fantastic marriage. And, the word I use is it's given Sullair home.
In 2018, Sullair introduced and expanded 2 new major lines for both their stationary and portable air compressors.
The biggest aspects we've been focusing on from a technology development are new air ends for our products. They are basically the heart of the compressor. They are what we are known for in terms of durability, reliability, and what we have done is improve that, making them the most efficient air ends in the market. So our new LS series product is a first all-new product that has been launched in almost a decade. It has truly changed the perspective of Sullair from being a very traditional, old-school type product to putting us out in the leading edge with developing new technology, allowing our products to lead in the market.
Continuing to find new ways to advance and incorporate innovative features at a rapid pace for a reliable and sustainable performance.
Sullair's product is known as reliability, durability, and performance.
Famous throughout the world for their legendary durable products, Sullair has been on top of innovating air solutions year after year.
There's going to be growth here. We've added over a couple hundred people just this past year, and I think we could be stronger than we are today, and we're pretty strong now. But we have a balance between, the little bit of catch-up that we're still doing, we're almost there, and growth, which we are accelerating at a record pace right now. And we're going to continue to do that for many years to come.